Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how you can build out a resumable multi-file uploader widget inside Node.js Express. So here guys, you will see there is an upload button out there, and the nice thing about this, if I click this upload button, you will be able to select files. Let's suppose I am selecting these files. So these are resumable uploads. Resumable uploads means that if you can pause the upload. Let's suppose there is a very large file. So let me just select these three files. You will see one by one, you can see all these three files have been uploaded. If you see in the inspect element, if you see right here, let me just inspect this element and just make this width to 800. Just increase. You will see that all these files, if you see, is uploaded right here. Basically it is a multi-upload widget, and it supports resumable upload. So let's suppose I make the connection to, if I inspect element, you need to go to network here, and inside your here you need to select here slow 3G. So now if you select slow 3G guys, so what will happen here, it will take a lot of time in order to upload these files. And if I show you the uploads folder, you will see all these video files have been successfully uploaded. Was the first file here, video file. This was the second file, third file. So let me delete this files here. It will get stored inside this uploads directory once ever we do that process. So now I just need to refresh this. So basically guys, if you refresh this, again you will see this upload button. So again, if you select these files guys, so you can see it is taking some more time because we have selected our network to be slow 3G. You can programmatically change this inside Google Chrome. And let's suppose if I want to pause this. Let's suppose guys, if I pause this upload, how we can pause this? It's let me just go into the CSS here, normalizer CSS. The width was 400 pixel, I think. Let me just make this to 800 so that we have more spacing here. That's all. Just make this change. Let me just refresh once again. Inside my uploads directory, let me delete all these files. So now upload these files here, these 5 files. So now guys, what you will see right here, it will take a lot of time here. You will see there is a pause button as well. If I click the pause button, you can see there it changes to resume. Basically you can pause all these files here, and this was the nice thing about this project guys. It supports resumable file uploads. You can pause, you resume file uploads directly here. You can resume the file upload, again you can pause it. Sometimes there is requirement because sometimes internet connection may go. In that scenario, your file, whatever file uploads that you're doing right here, it may be preserved because you don't want to lose your data. So let's suppose you reached 96%, and at that time light, your computer connection goes off or internet connection goes off. So in that scenario, you lose all your data. So in that scenario, it's very better. It will automatically, you can have this functionality where we can pause the download. Now it is, you can see it is finished. Again, you can see it is finished. So this is very good scenario guys. Basically the network, you can also say, you can see if I click resume here, it will once again be there, and you can put pause here like this, like this. So again you can see click resume here. So these are the buttons. You can see in the background all these we are using AJAX XMLHttpRequest object. We are also using Busboy, which is the middleware for handling file uploads inside Node.js and Express. So this is a full stack project guys. If you want the full source code, I have given the full source code in the description of the video. You can purchase the full source code by going to stripe.com. After you make the payment, you will get this directory structure. You will get the zip file. You just need to extract that zip file, and then you will get this directory structure. It will hold all the HTML code for the project. It will hold all the CSS code as well. and all the JavaScript code as well. So inside the client side JavaScript, guys, we are using AJAX XML HTTP request. If you don't know about AJAX, basically it's a technique by which we can handle, it stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. We are making use of this concept called as XML HTTP request in the client side in JavaScript. It's a JavaScript class containing methods to asynchronously transmit HTTP requests from a web browser to a web server. And in the server side, we are using Node, Express, and one other, we are using Busboy. Busboy, basically it's a npm package which is a useful for file uploads. So we are using this dependency. 9 million downloads are there. So if you check out our server.js file, you will see that basically this contains, it is listing on 1 2 3 4. If I show you the package.json file, so we are using Busboy, we are using Course, Express, that's all. Node1 is just for starting our server, that's all. So the client side code is pretty large. This is a JavaScript code which is responsible for making this resumable file upload, guys. You can see pending, uploading, paused, completed. So once again, I can show you here, it is perfectly working. We can pause. You can see that. If I click resume, so all these files have been uploaded. You will see that. So this can be any file, guys. Let's suppose you're uploading a very large file. Let's suppose in GB, in terabyte, or any MB. You just need to select it right here. You can see. So for this, you need to replicate this connection here. Go to network here and then select here offline. So if you now select offline, your internet connection will go away. So you can see that. So you need to select here. I think slow 3G is that one. So now you can see we have this pause button and then we have the resume button as well. So the second file will start here. You will see that again we have pause button, resume button. So this is basically the application, guys. If you need this source code, if you need this application, the link is given. You can purchase the full source code. After that, you will get this application pre-built. I made this application with full my hard work and dedication. It took a lot of time. Subscribers were asking for that kind of application where resumable file uploads in Node.js Express. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.